some fun art today for candy art. This is my Google Drawings. I started a new drawing and I named it candy art. Now I'm going to first change the background. So I'm going to right click on the background.
Wrong tab.
I think you got to share that tab. See, when I open a new drawing, it looks checkered, right? That's the transparent background. I want to give it a color. So I'm going to go background, and let's just go with plain white. Ta-da!
How do you got there?
I'm going to show you the link. To go to Google Drawings, you can go to drawings.google.com. I think that'll get you there. Okay, so let's find some candy and just start doing some crazy art, okay?
I
like Skittles. What? So I'm going to look for Skittles like this and just start making some crazy fun art. I think I want to cover the whole thing with Skittles.
I love Skittles.
So I'm going to just make this like a quarter of the page. And then I'm going to copy paste that. So I have 4 of them. Ta-da!
There are a lot of Skittles, Mr. Schwanz.
That's a lot of Skittles, and it's so colorful. It's really cool.
Yeah.
So you could do that maybe just to make the background. Then I want to make this background fitted, so I'm going to change that to that size. Okay? Now I'm just going to think, okay, what could I do to make this even more scrumptious? I'm going to look for another candy. Let's see here. Let's find another candy that I like second best. I know what it is. I like these cookies the best. And I want to find an Oreo.
Oh, yeah, I love Oreos too.
I want to find an Oreo that's just by itself, right?
Yeah.
PNG, transparent. And let's see if I can find just one. Oh my goodness, there's one. Let's try that. So, okay, that's not a real one, but that'll probably work. Anyway, so then I'm just going to make a design like an array, right? Oh, yeah. That's the wrong one. All right, let me see here. Okay. So there you go. Now, I
deleted it.
Mr. Schwanz?
Whoa, that's cool.
Now it's so many Oreos you can't believe yourself. And then that's what I'm gonna do is just start arranging them like in an array. Anyway, the idea here is just to do what you can to make something fun with it, and that when you're done, share your art. Okay, you can turn it in on Google Classroom if it's a Google Classroom assignment, or click download.